The snap frame pedestal sign holder features a 17 by 11 poster frame, 2 support poles, a square black base, and 2 arms to support the sign holder and 4 screws. Take the 2 silver screws and hand tighten them through the bottom of the base into the support pole. Using a Phillips screwdriver, finish tightening the screws to the upright. Take the second upright and repeat this process. Now take the support arms with a 90-degree angle, sitting facing upwards on the arm. Then use 2 black screws on each arm to secure the uprights. Place the sign holder on top of the arms and place the 4 remaining screws through the bottom of the arms and screw them into the back of the sign holder. Place your poster in the holder and then gently close the snap frame around it, and your 17 by 11 snap frame pedestal sign holder is ready to be displayed.